Number 26, exercise 3.3, and we are going to factorize of this algebraic expression, which is 3a plus 1 cube minus 2a minus 3 whole cube. Let's start. Please note that we already completed 1 to 25 math by part 1 to 6, which you will get in the description box. Now we will start number 26. Look, 3a plus 1 whole cube, we can consider this one is a, and 2a minus 3 whole cube, we can consider this one is b. Therefore this is a cube minus b cube, right? So we know the factorization theory, which is a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square, right? Therefore we can write this one a minus b. So 3a plus 1 and then minus b, so minus 2a minus 3. Okay, and we can use second bracket, it will looking good. Okay, so a minus b done. Next, a square, so we can write a square means 3a plus 1 whole square plus then ab. A means 3a plus 1 times 2a minus 3, then plus b square, it means 2a minus 3 whole square. Okay, now we will simplify this big expression. How? Look, first one 3a plus 1, 3a plus 1, then minus 2a, then plus 3. Okay, next one 3a plus 1 whole square. This is also another theory, which is a plus b whole square. We can write a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So 3a square plus 2ab, 2ab means 2 times 3a times 1 plus b square, it means 1 square, plus now 3a plus 1 times 2a minus 3, it means 3a times 2a, it's a 6a square, then minus 9a, then plus 2a, then minus 3, plus now this one 2a square, it means 2a square minus 2 times 2a times 3 plus 3 square, and we are following a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square formula, right? Now look, this one is 3a minus 2a, it's the a, and plus 1 plus 3 should be 4. Okay, now look, 3a square, it means 9a square, plus here is a 2 times 3, it's a 6a plus 1, then plus 6a square, then here is a minus 9a plus 2a minus 3 plus 4a square minus 2 times 2 is a 4, 4 times 3 is a 12, 12a plus 9. Now we will segregate what can we take or what can we out. A plus 4. Now look, 9a square, 6a square and 4a square. So 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 9 is a 19a square, right? Now look, here is a 6a and here is a minus 9a and here is a 2a and here is a minus 12a. So look, how many plus? 6a plus 2a, it means 8a. We can write here 8, and here is a minus 9a and here is a minus 12a. So this 6a we already took and 2a, it means this is 8, and here is a minus 9a and minus 12a, it means minus 12 plus 9 is a 21, so 21. So 8 minus 21, it should be minus 13. Therefore we can write minus we can write minus 13a. Okay, and next this is plus 9 plus 1, it's a 10. 10 minus 3 is a what? Plus 7, and this is our answer. Number 27, x plus 2 times x plus 3 times x plus 4 times x plus 5 minus 48. So these kinds of expression we need to think more deeply. Look, here is 2, here is 3, here is 4, and here is 5. So we can make a combination of product which will give us good solution. Like here is 2 and here is 5. So we can make x plus 2 times x plus 5. Why? Let you know few moments later. X plus 3, then x plus 4 minus 48. Now we can make product this one. So x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 10, right? And here is x square plus 4x plus 3x plus what? 12 minus 48. Look, here is x square plus 7x plus 10, and here is x square plus 7x plus 12 minus 48. So here is some similarity, which is x square plus 7x, and here is x square plus 7x. So in this case, let x square plus 7x plus 10 equals to m, right? So we can write, so this one is become m, and here is x square plus 7x plus 12. 12 means what? 10 plus 2. So we can write m plus 2 equals to, not equals, actually here is 48. So minus 48. Now here is m square plus 2m minus 48, right? Now look, 48, it means 6 times 8 is a 48, and 8 minus 6 is a 2. So m square plus 8m minus 6m minus 48. So 8m minus 6m means plus 2m. So we can take common m. So here is m plus 8 minus common 6 minus 6. So again m plus 8. So here is m plus 8 times m minus 6. Now we can write, so m means what? X square plus 7x plus 10, and here is plus 8, right? Again here is m minus 6. So x square plus 7x minus 6, and then here is plus 10, right? So here is plus 10 and minus 6. So we can write x square plus 7x plus 18, and here x square plus 7x plus 4, and this is our answer. So be careful about plus and minus, because sometime a silly mistake give us big problem. So number 27 done, and our plan to complete also number 28. Let's start. If you understand number 27, you can easily solve this 28. So this one, x minus 1, x minus 3, x minus 5, x minus 7 minus 65. So first x minus 1 times x minus 7, then x minus 3 times x minus 5 minus 65. So once we multiply, here is x square minus 7x minus x plus 7, right? And here is x square minus 5x minus 3x, and then plus 15 minus 65. So here is also a common thing, which is x square minus 7x and minus x, it should be 8x, and here is plus 7, and here is x square minus 5x and minus 3x, it will be also minus 8x plus 15 minus 65. So let x square minus 8x plus 7 equals to m. So we can write, so here is m times m plus 8. Why m plus 8? Because this is 15, so it's a 7 plus 8. So x square minus 8x plus 7 is a m, and here is a plus 8. Then minus 65. So we can write m square plus 8m minus 65. So this 65, how can we adjust? We know 13 times 5 is a 65. So we can write m square plus 13m minus 5m minus 65, right? So we can take common m. So here is a m plus 3, sorry, m plus 13, and we can take common minus 5. So here is also m plus 13. Therefore m plus 13, and here is a m minus 5. Now look, this is a x square minus 8x plus 7. So we can write x square minus 8x plus 7, and here is plus 13. Again here is m square minus 8x plus 7, and here is minus 5. So our answer is m square minus 8x plus 20, and here m square minus 8x plus 2, and this is our answer. Okay, so thank you very much. Hope you understand this one. It's a very important math, and hope you clearly understand. So if you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.